Hi, this is Shelly Harder, and we are doing CPM 1.1.3. Let me just move this over. It is 6th period. Cool. All right. So, can I graph myself? Well, today we are really focusing on using function tables and graphing. Okay? Function tables and graphing. Okay, so first off, for 1-17, I need an X and Y table. And I'm not going to fill it in with the -6 through -1. I'm just going to fill it in with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so they've given us an equation, or several, and it's y equals 2x plus 1. We are going to use the x coordinates to find the y coordinates to graph this equation. Got it? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this 0 in to the x. So it's going to look like y equals 2 times 0 plus 1. So y equals 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1. What is this one? Y equals 1, so it goes right here. Okay? Now, the next one is 1, so I'm going to plug this in. Let me know when you see the pattern. Get rid of my face. I don't need it. Okay, well, it's 2 times 1 plus 1. Well, what is 2 times 1? 2. Plus 1 is
3.
So we're going to put the 3 in the 1's place. Okay? Tell me when you see the pattern. I'm going to do one more. Y equals 2 times 2 plus 1. Y equals 4 plus 1 equals?
5.
What's the pattern?
They're all odds.
They're going up by what? Yes. 2. So this is plus 2. This is plus 2. Who knows what comes after this? 7. And then? Okay. Great. So what we're going to do is we're going to graph it. Miles, will you pass out? No. Have this guy help you. Okay. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold my paper. And we're going to make a graph. Don't worry. This is a video. So I want to see my table. And I'm going to start graphing the points that I have with the y equals 2x plus 1. So my first one is 0 and 1. So I'm going to go 0 and 1. And that's the dot. 0 and 1. Then, huh?
In the center.
Yeah, in the center. So the next one is 1 and 3. 1 and 1, 2, 3. Dot. 1 and 3. Okay. 2 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the next one. And then 3 and 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dot. Do you see how it's going up? You know, a little bit at a time. As soon as you do that, you get a couple in there. All you have to do is take your straight edge and graph your line. Don't forget, this is a ray. It's not a line segment. You need arrows to show that it's a ray. If you just had this connected to this would be a line segment, not a ray. Understood? Yeah. Nod with me. Good, good. Okay. All right. Ready for the next one? Okay. Take a moment. Okay. I'm going back to my other spot. The next equation is y equals negative 2x. So what's the first thing I'm going to do when I do this? What do I need here? Yeah. Yep, so I need a function table. Good job. And our equation is y equals negative 2x. And I am going to plug in my x's, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug 0 in for x. What is 2 times 0? 0. Good. So that's the first point. Let me know when you see a pattern. What is negative 2 times 1? It is negative 2. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So like, when you're adding or subtracting and it's a negative, you just take the sign from the bigger number?
That's an adding and subtracting. This is multiplying. So when you multiply anything times a negative, it becomes negative. And if you have two negatives here, it would become a positive. So this one's going to be a negative 4. Yeah.
Negative 2?
Yeah.
The pattern?
Yeah, it is negative 2. Yeah. So every time, negative 2 times 3 is?
Negative 6.
Good. Negative 2 times 4 is?
Negative 8.
Negative 2 times 5 is? Negative 2 times 6.
12.
Cool. Now I'm going to take this and graph it. And I'm going to use purple this time. So the first one is what? What is my first coordinate?
1 and negative 2.
No.
0 and 0.
Good. And now it's 1. We go over 1 and then down 2. This is different, right? Over 2 and down to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 1, 2, 3, and then down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, what is this saying?
Pattern.
It's a good pattern, isn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, this is called a negative slope. It's going down. So what does it make this slope? Positive slope. Why? Good. Oops, let me get this so you can see it better. I'll turn off the recording. Thank you.